want to build an agentic workflow with many AI agents, OpenAI just made available Agent Builder, with which you can build an agent workflow without writing any code. In this tutorial, we will build a workflow that analyzes a project plan like this and produces a delayed task report or a weekly project report. I will tell you how much it costs at the end. We will build it and test it under 7 minutes. You can access the Agent Builder from platform.openai.com/agentbuilder. You can create a new agent. This is the published workflows, drafts and templates are also available. Let's go to create. You have a start node. From there, my agent, which is an agent. Let us edit this. Let us name it Classifier. You are a helpful assistant classifying whether the message is about project delays or weekly report. Let us create the model. We can use the lowest model, GPT-5 Nano, which is quite cheap. And then we don't need any tools. Output format, let us say JSON, and add schema. Response schema, let us add property. Let us change it to enum. Classification, delays. It is delays or weekly reports. Update. Now, once you know whether it is weekly or delays, let us add the if-else node. We can connect these two. Here, you can say enter condition. We will use the classification object. So we have input.output pass.classification. Let us use equals delays. And for else, so we will add two agents. We can connect this. So this agent report project delays. And for this, again, we will use the GPT-5 Nano. For tools, we need a file for this. Let's go to file search. We will upload a file. So I have uploaded corrected project plan.txt and attach it. Now I have found that it doesn't recognize the file properly and we need to include it in the prompt. For project delays, we need to give detailed instruction. Let us edit this. You are a project assistant. List the delayed projects from the attached project plan file, corrected project plan 2025.txt and provide recovery plan. You can interpret delayed as tasks currently marked in progress but lagging behind their baseline, tasks that should have started already but still not started, milestones or phases that aren't past their planned finish dates. Save. We will call this delays. Other agent, we will call this weekly report. And for this, you are a project assistant. Create a weekly report for the current week from the attached project plan file, corrected project plan.txt. Let us use the GPT-5 Nano. And again, we need to attach the file. For both, we will keep the output format as text. Now our workflow is ready. We can preview this. Note that if you are doing it for the first time, for preview, it will ask you to verify your identity, which is not very easy, but you will be able to do that. So let us preview. Test prompt.
Let's just say report project delays. Okay, you can see it working, classifying project delays. So it should parse the file. Formulating a recovery plan. So finally, it gives the output. Delayed items, project planning, recovery plan. Why delayed? UI UX requirements analysis phase in progress. Percent complete 20%. Why delayed? Again, it has given the reason. Recovery plan. Not started but potential delays. Since they are not yet started. So it is given a detailed report. Now let us test the next workflow. Provide weekly project report. So it has classified it as weekly. Executive summary. Current week progress details. Other phases are tasks not started. Current risks and issues. Recommended action. So our agent is working. Now you can close the preview. If you want to take it to production, you can publish it. Let us name it Delays and Reports. Publish. So this gives you a workflow ID which you can use in your chat kit or agent SDK to run it in production. We will do that in another tutorial.
There, we built the workflow and tested it under 7 minutes. I will do another video of taking this to production and adding it to my site. It cost me only 1 cent for the entire demo for that OpenAI model. Please explore and comment how you like this Agent Builder tool. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.
Hi, I am Ganapati Devappa, a premier instructor on Udemy with more than 10,000 students and a 4.5 instructor rating. My latest course, Generative AI for Managers and Leaders on Udemy, highlights the importance of early AI adoption through practical use cases. ROI, return on investment based strategies, and risk management frameworks. You can enroll using the exclusive coupon link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.